Ever wished you lived in the future? Well, it's already here. These gadgets aren't just cool, they're so futuristic. They feel illegal to own. Let's explore 10 insane gadgets you won't believe are real. And yes, you can actually buy them. Humane AI Pen. Imagine a device that eliminates the need to pull out your phone. That's the Humane AI Pen. This compact, wearable clips to your shirt and projects a functional screen right onto your palm. It's voice-activated, always connected, and can send messages, give real-time translations, and even answer complex queries instantly. Powered by cutting-edge AI, it's your personal assistant that lives with you, always listening, learning, and ready to help. This isn't a glimpse of tomorrow. It's today's breakthrough. Rabbit R1. Don't let the playful design fool you. The Rabbit R1 is a powerhouse of intelligence. This handheld AI device can manage your apps, calendar, texts, rides, and even your music, all without a screen. Just speak and it acts. Unlike traditional voice assistants, Rabbit R1 understands context and natural language, making it feel like you're talking to a real-life assistant. It's the closest we've gotten to a Star Trek-level AI companion. In your pocket, X-Sariel Air 2 Pro glasses. Ever wished your entire world was a screen? X-Sariel Air 2 Pro makes that possible. These AR glasses offer a 130-inch virtual display that floats in your vision. Perfect for gaming, streaming, or even working on multiple screens. With cinematic full HD clarity and 3D spatial audio, the experience is immersive and wireless. They connect to smartphones, consoles, or laptops and let you dive into another reality. Anytime, anywhere. Lightweight and stylish, they blend future and function. Thermacell LIV Mosquito System. Say goodbye to bites. Thermacell LIV is a smart mosquito repellent system that turns your backyard into a force field. Unlike sprays or smoky coils, it creates an invisible barrier using heat-activated repellent diffusers you control from your phone. It activates automatically when you're near and shuts down when you're not. Silent, scent-free, and smart, it keeps your evenings peaceful and bug-free, so your outdoor memories stay magical. Insta360 Go 3. Smaller than your thumb, but mighty beyond belief, the Insta360 Go 3 redefines what action cameras can do. Capture stunning 2.7K video with built-in stabilization, perfect for vlogs, stunts, or daily adventures. Clip it to your clothes, mount on a drone, or wear it as a pendant. With AI editing and voice control, your creativity is the only limit. It's so light, you'll forget it's there until you see the footage. Rienko Smart Composter. What if your kitchen waste could turn into garden gold in just a few hours? The Rienko Smart Composter does exactly that. Using bioenzymes and low heat, it silently converts food scraps into rich, usable compost with zero odor. It's eco-friendly, energy efficient, and beautifully designed to sit right on your countertop. Reduce waste, grow plants, and feel good knowing your garbage is going green. Sustainability has never looked this sleek. Vaoni's Vespera Smart Telescope. The cosmos just got closer. Vespera isn't just a telescope. It's a portable observatory. Set it down, connect it to your phone, and it auto-calibrates to the night sky. No knobs, no guesswork. Just tap on a galaxy, and it finds and photographs it for you. Capture deep space photos of nebulae, planets, and galaxies, all from your backyard, for explorers of the universe. It's a dream come true in stunning clarity. SwitchBot Lock Pro. Your key is officially outdated. The SwitchBot Lock Pro installs over your deadbolt in minutes. No drilling, no damage. Control your door with your phone, voice assistant, or fingerprint scanner. It can auto-lock when you leave and unlock when you arrive. Plus, with robust encryption and long battery life, it's smart home security you can trust. Welcome to the era of smarter, safer entry.